Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day, great afternoon, great night wherever you are. Today's video is gonna be a very special one for me. Something I didn't understand. Some concepts I learned in a book, some concepts I learned through trial and error. But I'm just gonna put myself out there, tell you guys a little bit more about me, and let's get right to it. So, title. So the title of this video is gonna be super straightforward. I got money, now what? So this is gonna be a combination of some things I've learned through reading, others I've seen my mentors do, the people that I look up to do, and others I had to trial and error, fail, get better results, get worse results, but that's just the way it goes. So first of all, um, we're gonna look at three options. So the bank, real estate, stocks. Let's draw a little line right there. Or crypto. So you guys, if you're watching this video, it is because you probably now have some extra money laying around. You guys maybe are starting to see results of your online business. Maybe you got a small capital and it can be a savings account with $1,000, whatever. So now what? How can you assure that your money is gonna be the best allocated and it's gonna be in the best place? So a lot of people tend to just this is gonna be this is a bed. So if you guys don't know, if you can see it, this is a bed. Some people are gonna go ahead and grab their money and hide it behind their mattress. Here in Latin America, this is one of the most common practices. You get cash, you hide it somewhere physically, and you hope you don't spend it. Option number two, you grab your money and you give it to the bank because the bank presents itself as a great solution, as a safe solution. Your bank is probably safe, or that's what most people think, and that's what people tend to think. Again, none of this is financial advice. None of this is just my opinion, my thoughts, what I've seen, what I've read. So nothing is advice, everything is opinion based. That being said, there's option number one, hiding it behind the mattress. Option number two, going and opening a savings account and having your money stored in a bank. Option number three, and this is where things start to kind of change on perspective. So real estate. What can be the benefits of investing into real estate? Well, your money is it's not just sitting around. So if you guys know the concept of inflation, so inflation is literally when money is worth less money. So if you guys hit $1,000 behind your mattress when it was worth $1,000, 5 years from now, those $1,000 might be worth 850. So you just lost 15% of your investment of your savings account just because you had it lying around. So option number two and number one are subjectable to inflation. There's always going to be inflation. There's always going to be inflation. There's always going to be inflation. I repeat that 3 times so that you guys know. There's always going to be inflation. The more money is printed, the less every single dollar or every single currency is worth. With real estate, you have appreciation. with an increase in demand for houses, for apartments, for lots, there's always going to be appreciation if you choose strategically the right places, the right investments. Of course, there's a lot of risk in real estate, but if you know what you're doing and you know what you have to do and where do you have to invest, there's always going to be the appreciation factor that is going to mean that literally the money you spend at the beginning goes up every single year, every single 10 years. There's always going to be appreciation in a good real estate investment. So number one, this. Number two, with real estate, your money is working. So money is working. So in Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad, he literally said, poor people work for money, rich people make money work for them. So if you guys have money and you've got money, there's no sense in allowing it to decrease every single year if you can literally grab that money and put it to work. So instead of you working for money to earn money, your money is working to get you more money. That was like a riddle, but you guys understand. Money working. So think about money as an employee for you. So every time you invest in something like this, your money is not sitting still. Your money is generating more money. So that brings us to option number 4. If you guys have financial education and you guys find a broker or find an agency that you really trust, and there's always going to be super amounts of risk right here. At least that's what people think. That's what is understood. There is a lot of risk in crypto, stocks, and real estate. There is risk. If there's no risking, then there's no high risk, high reward. That's what we tend to say. So the more risk, probably the more reward. People think that banks and the mattress are absolutely safe, but I already demonstrated that inflation will always attack. So no, it is not safe. You still are gonna lose a percentage every single year, and that's like a fact. But then stocks and crypto. So what I learned in my short investment career is that having the money sitting around, first, you're susceptible to spend the money, which is problem number 1. Problem number 2, inflation. And problem number 3, which is literally in economics what we call opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. In economics, opportunity cost is not what you lose, like with inflation, that you actually lose some percentage of your investment, but opportunity cost says that if you sacrifice earning something because of something else, that is a cost. So what does this mean? That by having your money rest here or here, you are missing out on the benefits of this. So it is not that you're losing money, but you are wasting the opportunity to create more money by using money to work for more money. This sounds like a riddle, but it's really easy to understand. Go ahead and look up this concept, opportunity cost. It is literally an economics concept that I learned from this book right here, Principles of Economics. So what it says is that every time you sacrifice something to get something else, that is a cost in itself. So all of these 3 options actually take advantage of the possibility of money working as an asset to create more money. You're not just leaving it still. You're actually taking advantage of its full potential. I'm not gonna get very deep into crypto and stocks because it's very risky to talk about this on YouTube, on other platforms. If you guys want a personal opinion on which stocks do I have, which crypto do I have, that will have to be in a more personal way. You can always ask me on Instagram, on whatever. I'll send you a personal message. So that being said, Robert Kiyosaki says that the main difference between rich people and poor people is that rich people tend to focus on creating assets. With everything they do is to build assets, and poor people focus on buying liabilities. So if you guys don't have very clear understanding on what is an asset, what is a liability, just think about this as a tool that generates money, and this spends money. So that is the most simple definition that you guys can get on assets and liabilities. But basically, this is everything that works. So I'm gonna be building here a factory. So this creates money, and this just wastes money. So this is your money, this is your wallet, and it's going out. So what tends to happen is that people buy cars, TVs, cell phones, all of these things that depreciate. We spoke about bank accounts and saving it behind the mattress, which actually can become a liability because you are losing money every year that goes by. And assets will generate more money. So every time you're making a financial decision, think about what assets am I creating and what liabilities am I letting go. So if you find yourself having, I don't know, 15 assets, but then you have 16 liabilities, you're in the red zone. So you have to know what are you going to change in your business practice, in your economic financial practices, to make this number go down and this number go up. So with investment, with I don't know, business, finance, everything you do has to be thinking about these two concepts. Am I creating an asset, or am I getting a liability? So are you generating money, or are you spending money? This was a quick video, a quick investment and finance video. A lot of you guys have been asking me to talk a little bit more about finances and a little bit more on investment. So again, with crypto and stocks, it is a very delicate topic, and people, and especially like YouTube and TikTok and all these things, they don't really like you talking about that. Even though I said 1,000 times, this is not financial advice. Nothing I said. Don't take anything I said for granted. I don't know anything. Make your own research. I'm just guessing everything. So of course that's not true, but it is not advice. It is my opinion. So hope you guys learned something. If you guys have not read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, go ahead and read it. Like your financial life depends on it. It's the most eye-opening book ever, and it will really, really help you guys understand the world of finance and financial education. So hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, go ahead and comment. What are your investment strategies? Please let me know. If you guys are interested in our exclusive Facebook group content, go ahead and send me a message or a comment saying Facebook. I'll let you guys in. I did it with the last video, but if you guys are listening up until now, you're in luck, because I'm giving out for those of you that listened with the code listening. So if you guys send me a message saying listening, I will immediately sign you up for the first Diego Guevara coaching webinar. It's gonna be $20. So if you guys stayed up until the end of this video, which was a very long one, a very tiring one, we covered a lot of things. If you guys stayed and you send me a message saying listening, I'll sign you up as a free entry. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Pura Vida.